Good afternoon. My name is Syed Feroz Ahmad. I am representing Geolife Agritech India Private Limited in South India as a business head. Our company has introduced first time of its kind nanotechnology and tablet technology fertilizers for the benefit of farming community across the country of India. Our company is pan-India present. It is there in 80 states, 18 states in all over India, and this company has introduced all nanotechnology products in agriculture which are of very minute dose. What is the meaning of nano? Nano means anything making small. So this company has launched all small inputs which can do wonders, like a small atom doing a big blow, like that. In nanotechnology products, 1 gram of nano vigor will 1 gram of nano vigor will use it for 1 acre in 200 liters of water. That gives excellent root development, branching and growth of the crop. That is how it works, nano vigor. Like that, yeah, by coming here, by setting up our stall here, we could able to spread our nanotechnology products to the farming community of the Andhra Pradesh, especially Telangana, because here farmers from all the states they have come. And this apart from nanotechnology, from Korea, who have imported tablet technology fertilizers. It is different from conventional fertilizers. Conventional fertilizers are used in 50 kg bags, whereas these nanotechnology fertilizers are used in 1 kg per acre in tablet form, which it dissolves in just 2 minutes in the water, and it is just spreads in the water and immediately absorbed by the crop. That is how it benefits the farmer by saving the cost, labor cost. This is a 1 kg to be applied in paddy field, 200 tablets will be there, each tablet will be of 5 grams. So that is how it benefits the farmer by using the saving the labor cost, application cost, and farmer himself can apply easily and gives excellent control of the excellent growth of the crop, and also it makes the crop protects the crop to some extent from the pest and diseases, apart from giving the more yield. This product has been already tried. This Tapsil has been tried in Directorate of Rice Research in Rajendra Nagar for the past 3 seasons, and it has proved that it is giving 20 to 25% extra yield to the paddy farmer. Not only to the paddy, this can be used in the other crops also in a spray formulation. These tablets can be sprayed. Each tablet can be mixed in 5 liters of water, and like that, per 1 liter of water, 1 gram of Tapsil can be dissolved and sprayed in on any crop. It will form a layer inside the leaf tissues and prevents it from the pest and disease attack to a greater extent. If you mix it with pesticides, it increases its efficiency. Thanks for giving me an opportunity to share my ideas with you. Thanks.